Once upon a time, a wise old woman was walking through the mountains. As she wandered, she stumbled upon a rare and valuable stone. Admiring its beauty, she gently placed it in her backpack and continued her journey. After some time, she encountered a weary traveler. He looked tired and hungry. Seeing the kindness in the old woman's eyes, he gathered the courage to ask, "Dear woman, do you have any food to spare?" With a warm smile, the old woman opened her backpack and took out some bread. As she handed it to him, the traveler's gaze fell upon the precious stone inside her bag. His eyes widened in astonishment. "Please, dear woman, may I have that beautiful stone too?" he asked eagerly. Without hesitation, the wise woman took out the stone and placed it in his hands. The traveler was overjoyed, thanking her profusely. He hurried away, his heart filled with excitement. "With this stone, I will never have to worry about money again. I can live a life of comfort and ease," he thought to himself. A realization began to grow within him. There was something far more valuable than the stone itself. A deep sense of curiosity and admiration took hold of him. Determined to understand, he set out to find her again. After much searching, he finally spotted her in the mountains. Approaching her respectfully, he said, "Dear wise woman, I have come to return this precious stone, but in exchange, I ask for something even greater. Please, share with me the wisdom that allowed you to part with this treasure so easily." The old woman smiled serenely. She understood what he was truly seeking. With a gentle voice, she said, "What I possess is a simple truth. Material wealth does not bring lasting happiness. True richness comes from within, through kindness, generosity, and inner peace. It is not something that can be given. It is something that must be discovered and nurtured within yourself." The traveler listened intently. A wave of realization and gratitude washed over him. In that moment, he understood true wealth was not in the stone, but in the wisdom to let go. With a heart full of newfound understanding, he bowed in respect and set off to live a life of kindness and wisdom, just as the old woman had shown him. Happiness and true wealth are not found in material possessions, but in our ability to give, share, and find peace within ourselves. The more we hold on to things, the more they hold on to us. True freedom comes from learning to let go. If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such heartwarming stories. Let us know in the comments, what does true wealth mean to you?